A ghazal deals with pain or celebration. It is with the self and the other. Now, the other could either be a lover, it could be the nature, it could be the country itself, or it could be just your passion and skill. But it's the togetherness and the separation that is celebrated with beautiful meter and melody. वो जो हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि न याद हो. This talks about a lover trying to take her beloved or his beloved into a realm of remembrance, thinking about how things were in the past and questioning, do you still remember me? Do you know who I am? Do you remember the nuances of love that we shared? Have you understood the value of me with you? Do you value the separation or the togetherness? Will you come back to me? All those kind of innocent questions have been portrayed in this particular ghazal. The idea is to take you into a journey where you question why you love or why you shy away from love, why you celebrate or why the pain of love is still deep embedded inside you. Let's explore the nuances of this Urdu poetry. Ghazal has been sung in various languages, Arabic, Persian, but each has its own flavor, and all the rasas can be explored within the realm of a ghazal, specifically Shringara rasa, with Sanjog and Viyog. Sanjog means together, Viyog means you're separated. Normally, the stories of love are so beautifully entwined with complexities in order to express one simple statement. So what the poet is saying is something very simple, but the person who's receiving it, or the rasik, is trying to find options, opinions, variations within that simple expression. Each nayak, nayika, or the person who's watching has the right to interpret it exactly the way they want to. वो जो हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि न याद हो. The attraction that we had for each other, is it still there? Do you remember me? This is a setting. It's been choreographed with this in mind, that she's just about to present her evening performance and she suddenly sees him. And she's mesmerized by the thought that, was it in my imagination or is he really there? But then when she blindly and just focuses on him, she realizes that perhaps he doesn't even remember her. And that saddens her, but at the same time, she takes out a special piece of jewelry that reminds her of him and their connection. And she tries to revive the relationship they had. तो वो जो हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि न याद हो? Have you really forgotten me? Can you forget? Am I forgettable? What can I do to remind you of me? What have we shared? Isn't that important for you? Do you not need me anymore? These are the questions she's asking innocently to her lover. वो जो हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि न याद हो? हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि न याद हो? वो जो हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि न याद हो?